important things that we do as coaches is that we help our coaches establish goal ownership and commitment. This is a very, very important principle in coaching. This coaching principle, I would like to emphasize to you, is a result of applying the right coaching philosophies and techniques, of empowering and unleashing the potential of your coaches, enabling them to discover their own ideas and solutions. So, in essence, you find that establishing goal ownership and commitment is really critical for success in coaching, because if you have arrived at this point now, your coachee feels that the goals and the solutions belong to them. It's like their own baby, and they're committed, they're highly motivated to take action to give their best towards achieving the goal. And here you are beginning to get on a winning stage with your coachee. And this truly is a fabulous stage to be in a coaching journey.